Good morning, third class students. What did you learn in the previous class? Health and hygiene lesson. Personal hygiene, oral hygiene, washing body, washing hair, washing hands. Hands must be washed, wearing clean clothes, keeping shoes and socks dry and clean, taking care of feet, keeping nails trim and clean, coughing and sneezing. Now I am going to tell you about sanitation. Look at this picture, children. What is this woman doing? She is throwing household garbage in the street. Next, look at this picture. Are these surroundings clean and healthy? No. Unclean and unhealthy. What happens if the heaps of garbage are kept there for a long time? If the garbage is left for a long time, the pests will reach and diseases come to human beings. Look at this picture. If this garbage is not removed regularly, these dumps empty foul smell and will become breeding ground for houseflies, which spread diseases like cholera, typhoid, dysentery, and so on. Cholera, typhoid, dysentery and so on. Next, look at this picture. In this picture, you can see that the stagnated domestic waste has made the surroundings unhygienic. Mosquitoes breed in stagnated water and choke drains. They spread diseases like malaria, dengue, filaria, etc. Look at these pictures. Some people have the habit of spitting in public places, making those places ugly and unhealthy. Next, see here children, some people urinate in public places, making the surroundings unhygienic. Look at these pictures. Some people in rural India, including women, defecate in the open. Defecation in the open is an issue for human dignity and a major public health hazard. Poor sanitation may result in the spread of many diseases. To prevent this, everyone should use toilets with proper drainage system. Next, look here children. Sanitation regularly refers to disposal of human excrete such as urine and feces and domestic waste. To prevent this, everyone should use toilets with proper drainage system. Next, look at this picture children. Clean India. Public hygiene. The cleanliness of our surroundings and public places and proper sanitation for healthy environment is as important as personal hygiene. With proper sanitation and waste disposal methods, the population of houseflies and mosquitoes can be controlled. We can prevent the spread of diseases by keeping our surroundings clean. Cleanliness should be inculcated at home, school, neighborhood, community, office, organization, district, state and country level to achieve Clean India or Swachh Bharat. In this aspect, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, Clean Indian Mission. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan was launched to make India clean by the 115th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi 2nd October 2019. Let us make India a clean country. Look at these two pictures. Is this food safe to eat? No. Eating these food items cause ill health and diseases. We should not eat settled food, spoiled food, street food, uncovered food, and contaminated food. These types of foods contain disease causing germs which are harmful to our health. So we must eat fresh and hygienic food. What type of food eat everyday children? We must eat fresh and hygienic food. Next, look here. Is this water safe for drinking and cooking? No. This can be dangerous to our health as it contains harmful germs. Water from tanks and ponds should not be used for drinking and cooking unless it is purified. We should drink clean water for our health. Children, every day minimum drink 8 glasses water. We should drink clean water for our health. Have you heard the saying, all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy? See here children, some playing pictures here. Do you play physical games? Yes. What games do you like to play? Try to identify the following games. Look at this picture children. What is the first one? Hide and seek. Dagudu Mutalata in Telugu. Next, Chamma Chekka. Gunny bag. Koti Komachi. Kallagantalata. Swimming, skipping. Vangulu Dukulu game in Telugu. These are local games and they have no fixed rules to play. Do these games need any special equipment? No. Is there any restriction regarding the number of players? No. Next, observe the following games which can be played without any equipment but follow certain rules. What is this game children? Identify. Kabaddi, Kho-Kho, wrestling, running, swimming, karate, judo, taekwondo. Kabaddi, Kho-Kho, wrestling, running, swimming, karate, judo, taekwondo. Next, look at these pictures. Identify the games with the help of the equipment shown here and the names given at the end. What is this children? Rocket, tennis ball, game tennis. Next, look at here. Which game? Basketball. Identify this game. Football. Next, volleyball. Bat and ball. Cricket. Hockey. Hockey stick and ball. Hockey. Next, badminton. Baseball. Chess. Tennis, basketball, football, volleyball, cricket, hockey, badminton, baseball, chess. These games are played at national and international levels. Some of these are indoor games and some are played outdoor games. The number of players needed to play these games varies from game to game. The rules of each game are different. According to some experts, games are a means to improve social skills and physical mental health of children. Some life skills such as patience, self-confidence, healthy competitive spirit and control over emotions can be inculcated in children through games and sports. Playing a sports channelizes the extra energy in children in the right direction and helps them in developing concentration. Playing games and engaging in outdoor activities are indispensable to a child's development and growth. Playing games and engaging in outdoor activities are indispensable to child's development and growth. So children, do play at home or ground every day. Follow these simple tips to stay healthy. Eat one time, get enough sleep, play regularly, practice yoga. Follow these simple tips to stay healthy. Next, early to bed, early to rise. Make us healthy and healthy kids learn better. Okay children? Follow these tips regularly at home children. Follow these simple tips to stay healthy. Every day, early to bed and early to rise. Okay children, thank you. I will meet in the next class.